Hi, welcome to 𝒊𝒂𝒏𝒈𝒆 Beach Resort here in Phuket. We are having our amazing morning biking. My name is Gary Gan. I'm a 6A3-4 in Enagic, and this is what I want to show you all, the amazing lifestyle that we are enjoying. Today is a Wednesday. What is a Wednesday? It's a working day. And here, me and my business partner Jeffrey Leong behind me. Hi Jeffrey.
Hello.
How are you?
Guys.
How are you?
Very good.
And we are here having a morning biking session round this beautiful lake. Can you see that lake? Here in 𝒊𝒂𝒏𝒈𝒆 Beach in Phuket. And this is what I'm talking about. An amazing lifestyle with this amazing company called Enagic. Now guys, in the world today, what can you do with $4,000 US? Nothing much, right? But for $4,000 US, I'm able to invest in this business 4.5 years ago. And this business is giving me this reward today. Not only we are enjoying unlimited passive income where money is coming to our bank account every day, but we are also enjoying this amazing lifestyle. I'm so excited. I thank God for all this blessing. And I want to tell you this, that you can do it too. Why not just give me a call, WhatsApp or message me, and maybe this could be the turning point in your life. As I always say, change your water, change your life. Have a great day, guys.